Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn 10 different ways to wish Merry Christmas. As you know that Christmas is just few days far away, I think this video will be helpful to you to wish your friends and loved one. So guys, let's start our lesson. First of the list, may your Christmas be adorned with cheers. A blissful, pleasant, and relaxing Christmas to you and your loved one. May this Christmas bring a glad cheering of glee and prosperity in your life. Let the Christmas year enter your home and bring your exaltation. May the light of Christmas be with you always. Wishing you a Christmas that's merry and bright. May your Christmas sparkle with joy and laughter. May all your heart's desires and yearnings come true in this Christmas. Hope you have a holly jolly Christmas. And the last one, have an enchanting Christmas celebration. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel.